Welcome to Hands-on Lab Session, How to Access Metadata Using Apache Arrow.
In this lab, we will learn how to access metadata information using pyarrow open source library. Use case scenario is metadata is very useful when we process Parquet files for analytic workloads. Just want to touch upon just quick key concepts. Pyarrow is an open source Python library that provide interface to Apache Arrow. It's fast, very efficient, so enable us to process large data sets. Then coming to Parquet, it's open source Columnar storage format and it consists of multiple row groups. Apache Arrow, it's in-memory Columnar format and in-memory transport layer. It's used for high performance applications and process large data sets. pyarrow.Table format concatenate all row groups into single table. Now let's move on to lab. I will explain all these concepts in lab. I have Parquet file in this link, file store and user data. So I want to read that Parquet file. I just want to check what is there in that Parquet file. Okay. So spark read.parquet. Let's see what is there. Okay, so I have the data in this Parquet file, like these are the columns: registration, ID, first name, last name, email, gender, IP address, etc., country and all. So these are the columns. So I could able to read the data successfully. Now as per lab, I just want to access all the metadata. All right, so I need to import Parquet module from pyarrow library, that is import pyarrow Parquet as pq, create Parquet file object Parquet underscore file pq.parquet file. This is the link. I already accessed Parquet file here, right? Then metadata attribute data frame underscore metadata, where Parquet file dot metadata. So I should be able to see print metadata now, right? Let's see. Okay, so this is metadata information about the Parquet files. Number of columns are 13, number of rows 1000, and the number of row groups 1. What is that? Format version 1 and size. Now if I want to access schema information, right, Parquet underscore file dot schema, this is the syntax. So you should be able to see all the schema information. What is that? First name string, IP address, country string, and all. Then let's check how many row groups are there. Right. So let's run this syntax. So output is 1. So we have one row group, and let's access particular row group, right? Dot row group. Okay, so number of columns are there 13, number of rows 1000. So particular row group, we can get the info like that. Then if you want to just check particular column number 10, okay, I got the output like this. So we are accessing 10th column, that is salary column. So if we see salary, we have different values. So let's check what is the metadata. like minimum salary is 1238, maximum salary. Are there any null counts? Yes, we have 68 null, distinct 0, right? Means total number of values 932. Okay, that means because we have null count. Okay, so this is how we can access all the metadata by using this pyarrow library.
Thank you. We'll meet you in next session.